Hello my dear students, we learned the ports in the virtual class. Last topic we learned the ports. Okay, now I show you which are the ports, and hopefully if you have a computer at your home, then you can also see. Even you have a laptop, at the side of the laptop you can also see which are the ports. Some of the different ports are used, and without that you can not able to start your computer, not in the laptop, in the computer only, just because the CPU, if the CPU and monitor are not connected, then you are not opening your screen of your laptop, of your computer. Okay, so the ports are the important, and ports work is the one that will be connect the CPU to the other parts. CPU is the brain of computer. Without CPU we cannot be work. So in the CPU there are different of the ports, and these ports are working as a connection of the other devices like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, then printer, a projector, speakers, like that. Okay, so ports, just remember when someone asking to you virtually, orally, then what is the ports, just tell them ports is the nothing, it's a one type of connection of CPU to the other devices. Okay, we already learned the secondary devices, and these ports are used to connected the secondary devices, secondary memories like a pen drive, CD, DVD, hard CD and DVD drive is a different thing, but if you want to connect the pen drive, then you have to be use the ports. Okay, now we are going these ports one by one. First one is the USB port. As I say, if you want to connect the pen drive, then you have to use the port that is called the USB port. It's a one square port, you can see here. If there is a like this ports, then it's called the USB ports. In these ports you can also connect your mobile charger wire. क्या आप अपने मोबाइल चार्जर का वायर जो भी है उसके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट, ऑडियो इन, ऑडियो आउट, speakers and microphone. This ports is used to connect the speakers and the microphones. When we are using the speakers, then there will be a different color, that is a green color in your CPU, and you have to connect them with speakers. Speakers will be connected that green port, that is called the audio in, audio out port. As well as if you want to connect your headphone, if you want to connect your earphone, then you can also use that one port. There are minimum 4 or 5 ports for the connecting audio, means the microphone, speakers, and the and nowadays the microphone also come in the USB port. If there is a no audio in, audio out port, then you can also use the USB port if you have that type of device. Next is the VGA port, that is called the monitor. For monitor means VGA port is used to connect the CPU with monitor. If your monitor cable is not connected with CPU, then you cannot start your computer. You can start your computer, but screen will be not displayed to you. Sometimes what happen, some of the students of your class call me and tell me, ma'am, my screen is not displayed, my CPU is on, power supply is also on, but my screen is not displaying. At that time what I do, I just plugged in again, just because it will be loosed. अगर वो लूज हो जाएगा फिर भी वो कनेक्शन पूरा नहीं होगा तो आपका कंप्यूटर भी स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस ऑल दिस थिंग, एंड इट विल बी इन कलर ब्लू. ब्लू कलर का जो होता है पोर्ट वो होता है VGA पोर्ट. नेक्स्ट इज द PS2, that is the keyboard and the mouse port. These are the PS2 port, जिसमें हम हमारी कीबोर्ड और माउस को कनेक्ट करते हैं. सिंपली इफ you have a USB port, keyboard and mouse, keyboard is come in the PS2 ports, but if there is a mouse in the USB port, then you can also connect with them USB ports. Okay, so there are different audio in, audio out devices are also come in the USB port, as well as mouse is also come in the USB port. So that is, you have to check my device is which type of port and how I have to be connect. तो अगर आपको मैं बोलूँ कि connect this with correct port, then you are able to connect with them correct port. Here I show you all of the port, so you have to be remember which wire will be connect with which type of port. The order will be changed here. यहाँ पे जो ports का order है ऐसे होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, वो अलग तरीके से भी हो सकता है. स्पीकर का ऊपर USB का यहाँ पीछे दो और आगे भी दो हो सकते हैं, इस तरह से भी हो सकते हैं. तो वो आपको देखना है कि ये कौन सा पोर्ट है और मुझे किस तरह से कनेक्शन करना है. लास्ट इज द पावर पोर्ट. इट्स यूज टू कनेक्ट द पावर सप्लाई. जो मैंने बोला था अभी हमने आगे सीखा, पावर सप्लाई इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर. टू स्टार्ट अ कंप्यूटर, टू सप्लाई द पावर टू अ कंप्यूटर. सो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. इफ यू आर नॉट कनेक्टिंग विद द पावर, देन यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्टार्ट योर कंप्यूटर. If you are not switched on, your computer definitely not on. So this is the power supply port. So you have to remember all this port. And next, in the last topic, is the motherboard. It is the thin plate that hold the processor and other components. अभी तक हमने जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स सीखे जो CPU में होते हैं वो सभी एक प्लेट में होते हैं. एक प्लेट, वन प्लेट इज दैट विल बी इन द हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म. इन द CPU इट्स कॉल्ड द मदरबोर्ड. जितने भी प्रोसेसर्स होते हैं, अभी हमने फैन सीखा, रैम, रोम, all types of memory, all types of ports in a motherboard. So these are the motherboard, these are the ports, this is the place of the RAM and the ROM, this is the hard disk, sorry, this is the processor, and these are the other ports, these are the transistors. Means all the things that we learn in this chapter that will be come on the motherboard. वो सभी चीज़ें एक ही जगह पे होती है, उसको हम मदरबोर्ड बोलेंगे. So remember this plate, the plates will be different place. It's not necessary in the all the computers all the things are at the same place. सभी जगह पे मतलब सभी मदरबोर्ड एक जैसे नहीं होते. डिफरेंट कंपनी डिफरेंट मदरबोर्ड, मतलब उनकी प्लेस चेंज होती है बट वर्क सेम होता है. So what you learn in this chapter, inside the system unit you first learn the processor, then main memory, two types, RAM and the ROM. ROM have a three types, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. Then you learn the secondary memory, CD, DVD drive, then power supply, computer fan, ports and the motherboard. Okay, I will forgot to show you. This is the कंप्यूटर फैन जहाँ से हीट ब्लो होती है. दिस इज़ द कंप्यूटर फैन. दिस इज़ वन इमेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर फैन. Okay, so remember this thing, and now we have to end this chapter, and you have to, I just send the assignment also, and you have to complete this assignment on your notebook. So we will meet again on the next Monday. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.